Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sutur Singh Rajput, and I have completed my 12th in 2020 from Government Higher Secondary School Gandhari as an arts topper. And after that, I have completed my graduation in May 2024 from Government Degree College Raman. I just want to say about some professors, and after that, I will go over the main point. I will go over the main points. I will go over the main topics that I have set for today. That is the topics of the climatology is the extratropical cyclones. First of all, I want to say about my favorite professors. My favorite professors are, I want to take the name of some of them. Smear Wani sir, who was the professor, assistant professors of General English, and Anuj sir, Ankur sir, Shiraz sir, and the Ashfaq Hussain sir from Shopian district. Well, they were my favorite professor. Why they were my favorite professor? Because of their teaching methods, because of their analytical teaching methods, praiseworthy teaching method they used to apply in the class. While Ashfaq Hussain sir from Shopian district, he never just missed an opportunity to teach something better in the class, because every day he used to apply the new methods. While Smear Wani sir is known for his praiseworthy teachings, for his meritorious teachings. Even the backbencher in the initial days of the second and the third semester, even the backbenchers are trying to heckling him, are just trying to rebutting him, but somehow when he managed to rebut all that students, all that backbenchers, and after that the silence prevails in the class, and after that everyone is just paying attentions. Huh? Everyone is after that paying attention to his lecture, and while there are many others, my favorite professor, but I think that these two or the three were quite even favorite to me. While after the vacations of these 11 and the 12 days, I will be in the second semester of MA Geography from PG Department of Geography in Kathua. And the today topic that I have set, I have taken is from the book of the climatology, that is extratropical cyclones. Well, you should even know from where these cyclones just originates, and how they just move to the other places. Well, these cyclones are just mainly originated from the polar areas. Yeah, from the polar areas they just mainly originated, and they move toward the temperate regions. And after that, you may even just see the cloud nest, the cloud covers, and many other weather disturbances you may even see on the globe, on the regions that is of the temperate regions, between the latitudes of the 30 to 65. You may find many disturbances. That is because of the temperate cyclones. Extratropical cyclones are also called temperate cyclones. They are also called wave cyclones, and actually these cyclones sometimes proves very devastating in the northern America, in the northern Canada. Well, these cyclones are evenly dissipates when they just try to crossing the Rockies mountains of the northern America. Well, these cyclones sometimes just originates from here. These cyclones are originate sometimes eastern side of the Asia, and they just try to move to the northern sides of the Alaska. Understand? These cyclones just move west to east, and the pupils in the regions of the Canada, pupils are in the regions of the Ireland, Norway, Denmark. They will just look to the western side, because they think that if there occur the change in the weathers, that because of the western side, that is because of the western what movements of the tropical western movements of the temperate cyclones. That is the reason why the cyclone just occur there. A lot of the time it moves from west to east, and it covers 1.6 million areas there. You may even imagine it will cover 1.6 million area. The average, you may even imagine one thing. The vertical extent of these cyclones is 10 to 12 kilometers. 10 से 12 किलोमीटर उसका वर्टिकल एक्सटेंट होगा उस साइक्लोन का, और जो हॉरिजॉन्टल उसका एक्सटेंट माना जाएगा 162 से लेके 3200 किलोमीटर. यू मे इमेजिन, यानी 3200 किलोमीटर तक का एरिया वो कवर कर सकते हैं वो साइक्लोन, 162 से लेके 3200. बट यूएसए, यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका में जितने भी जो साइक्लोन्स आते हैं, एक्स्ट्रा ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन्स आते हैं, इनको एक्स्ट्रा ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि ये मेनली जो ओरिजिनेटेड होते हैं ये पोलर फ्रंट की वजह से होते हैं. उसके बाद ये टेम्परेट रीजन्स में आते हैं, वहाँ पे वेदर डिस्टर्बेंसेस क्रिएट्स करते हैं, इसलिए इसको एक्स्ट्रा ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन कहते हैं. इसको आप यू मे इवन गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड विद द एक्स्ट्रा ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन्स टू ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन्स, क्योंकि ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन दोस्तों कुछ अलग टाइप के साइक्लोन्स होते हैं, और एक्स्ट्रा टॉपिकल साइक्लोन जिनको टेम्परेट साइक्लोन, वेव साइक्लोन कहते हैं, उनकी करेक्टरिस्टिक्स अलग होती हैं। और जो ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन्स होते हैं उनकी करेक्टरिस्टिक्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा अलग होती हैं। वेल फ्रेंड्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द जो साइक्लोन्स होते हैं, जो गल्फ ऑफ मेक्सिको है वहाँ से लेके वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट अटलांटिक की तरफ मूव होने की कोशिश करेंगे। यानी गल्फ ऑफ मेक्सिको तरफ जब वो वहाँ पे जाते हैं, वहाँ भी ओरिजिनेट होते हैं, तो वो ओबियसली वहाँ से लेके नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट है, जो जो वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द यूरोप है, वहाँ पे वो जाने की कोशिश करेंगे। और ज़्यादातर जो वेदर डिस्टर्बेंसेस होंगे वो इस टेम्परेट रीजन्स में लाने की कोशिश करेंगे। Well, these were about the extratropical cyclones. I may even upload another videos on the tropical cyclones. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.